Welcome back, fellow history and tech enthusiasts. If you thought the story ended with Jobs and Gates, think again. Last time, we cracked open the era of transistors and rode the way from ARPANET to the World Wide Web. This is Legendary Anime Tales, where we turn real history into anime fire. Let's jump back in. It's important to remember that Berners-Lee wasn't alone in this endeavor. Many other brilliant minds contributed to the development of the internet and its early applications, from the creation of email to the development of the first web browsers. It was a collaborative effort that built upon the foundations laid by ARPANET. Once the World Wide Web was unleashed, the internet exploded. It transformed communication, allowing people to connect instantly across continents through email and instant messaging. It revolutionized information access, putting a vast library of knowledge at our fingertips, though maybe not always the most reliable knowledge. Commerce was forever changed with the rise of e-commerce. And entirely new forms of social interaction emerged with social media. The world truly became smaller, more interconnected, and information flowed more freely than ever before. The internet had become an indispensable part of modern life, all thanks to the vision of connecting computers on a global scale. But this incredible network, this world at our fingertips, was about to become even more intelligent, more dynamic. The next chapter in our story takes us into the fascinating realm of artificial intelligence, where machines are learning, adapting, and beginning to think for themselves. Prepare to have your mind blown, because the age of AI is upon us. So, we built machines that could calculate, store information, and connect the world. But could we make them think? The quest to create artificial intelligence, machines that can mimic human cognitive abilities, has been a long and fascinating one. Let's dive into the rise of AI and explore the dream of thinking machines. The idea of intelligent machines wasn't born overnight. Philosophers and writers have pondered it for centuries. But the formal field of artificial intelligence really took shape in the mid-20th century. A pivotal moment was the Dartmouth Workshop in 1956. This landmark event, organized by a group of visionary researchers, is widely considered the birth of AI as a distinct academic discipline. They gathered with the ambitious goal of figuring out how to make machines that could reason, solve problems, and even understand language. Two key figures at that Dartmouth workshop were Marvin Minsky and John McCarthy. These intellectual giants became early leaders in the field. Minsky was known for his work on symbolic AI and his optimistic view of AI's potential. McCarthy is credited with coining the very term artificial intelligence and made significant contributions to the development of Lisp, an early programming language still used in AI research today. Their early work focused on trying to represent knowledge and use logic to solve problems, essentially trying to program human-like reasoning into machines. While early AI focused heavily on rule-based systems, the field gradually shifted towards a different approach: machine learning. Instead of explicitly programming every single rule, the idea behind machine learning is to feed vast amounts of data to algorithms and allow them to learn patterns and make predictions on their own. Think of it like teaching a child. You don't give them a rule for every single object. You show them many examples, and they learn to recognize patterns. Early successes in areas like spam filtering and basic image recognition showed the power of this data-driven approach. More recently, we've seen an explosion in AI capabilities thanks to deep learning. This is a subfield of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks with many layers, hence deep. These deep neural networks have proven incredibly effective at tackling complex tasks like image and speech recognition with stunning accuracy, natural language understanding, and even generating creative content. This is the technology powering things like voice assistants, advanced image search, and many of the AI applications you see making headlines today. While mentioning specific contemporary figures might quickly date the video, it's worth noting that the current advancements are built upon the work of countless researchers and engineers pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The age of AI isn't some distant future. It's here, and it's rapidly changing the world around us. Think about it. You probably use AI every day, from a voice assistant on your phone, answering your questions, to recommendation algorithms suggesting your next binge watch. AI is already deeply integrated into our lives. We're seeing self-driving cars inching closer to reality, AI helping doctors diagnose diseases more accurately, and even AI algorithms powering sophisticated translation tools that break down language barriers. The applications are vast and constantly expanding. But what does the future hold? The potential of AI is staggering. We could see AI revolutionizing fields like medicine, energy, and scientific discovery, helping us solve some of humanity's biggest challenges. Imagine personalized AI assistants that truly understand your needs and can proactively help you throughout your day. Some even dream of artificial general intelligence, AI with human-level cognitive abilities, capable of learning and understanding any intellectual task that a human being can. Of course, with such immense potential come important ethical considerations and questions about the future of work and the relationship between humans and increasingly intelligent machines. It's a future ripe with possibilities and challenges. From the first sparks of an idea to the sophisticated AI systems of today, the journey has been nothing short of extraordinary. But where do we go from here? In our final section, we'll gaze into the crystal ball and explore the potential future of computing, where the lines between human and machine might become even more blurred. You won't want to miss what could be just around the corner. We've journeyed from mechanical gears to the cusp of artificial general intelligence. But the story of computing is far from over. In fact, we're standing at the edge of some truly mind-bending possibilities. Let's take a glimpse beyond the current limits and explore the potential future of this ever-evolving field. Imagine computers that don't rely on bits representing zeros and ones, but on qubits that could be both at the same time. Quantum computing promises to unlock computational power we can barely fathom today, potentially revolutionizing fields like medicine and material science. Think of it as going from a light switch, on or off, to a dimmer switch with infinite possibilities. What happens when we merge the power of computing with the intricacies of biology? Bioinformatics is doing just that, using computational tools to analyze biological data, understand diseases, and develop personalized medicine. Imagine computers designing new drugs or helping us decode the secrets of life itself. The lines between the physical and digital are blurring. Virtual reality, VR, immerses us in entirely simulated worlds, while augmented reality, AR, overlays digital information onto our real-world view. Imagine learning in a virtual classroom or having real-time information overlaid on your vision. The possibilities for entertainment, education, and productivity are immense. And finally, the holy grail of AI, artificial general intelligence, AGI. This is the hypothetical point where AI achieves human-level cognitive ability across a wide range of tasks. Imagine an AI that can learn, reason, and understand the world as well as we do. While still largely theoretical, the pursuit of AGI raises profound questions about our future. As we hurtle towards this increasingly digital future, we face some fundamental questions. What will be the nature of the human-machine relationship? Will AI become a seamless partner, or will we face unforeseen challenges? The ethical implications of AI are enormous. How do we ensure fairness, prevent bias, and maintain control over increasingly intelligent systems? And let's not forget the technological hurdles that still lie ahead. From the immense computational power required for quantum computing and AGI to the energy consumption of massive AI models, there are significant challenges we need to overcome. The future of computing is not just about technological advancements. It's about navigating these complex ethical and societal landscapes. From the clunky calculations of gears to the boundless potential of artificial intelligence and beyond, the history of computing is a testament to our relentless curiosity and our drive to understand and shape the world around us. It's a story of constant innovation, of brilliant minds pushing the limits of what's possible. And as we stand on the cusp of even more transformative breakthroughs, one thing is certain: the digital revolution is far from over. The code we write today will shape the world of tomorrow, and the journey of computing, in all its insane and incredible glory, will continue to redefine what it means to be human in an increasingly digital age. Think about that. From gears and circuits to artificial minds and quantum dreams. If you've journeyed with us through all 4 episodes, thank you. You're officially part of the legend. But this is just the beginning. Subscribe to keep exploring the frontiers of tech, and drop a comment. What do you think the future holds? AI, quantum consciousness, or something we can't even imagine? Let's build the next story together.